Hello, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal and Salam to everyone. Welcome to Captain Classes. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the effect of coronavirus on RTRA exam. So many of you guys have asked me what is the effect of or whether the exam, RTR exam going to occur in the next session or not. And so many questions have been asked. So I'm going to cover in this video all the doubts which have been asked to me through mails, comment, or through WhatsApp. So first of all, what is the actual effect of uh, COVID-19 virus on RTRA exam? As you all know, on 22 there was a Janta curfew, and because of which many airlines have cancelled their flight. Because of which the people who are having exam on 23rd got affected because of the flight got cancelled and they unable to make or they were unable to come to Delhi at the respective time, because of which so many people have might have requested. I don't know whether anyone have requested or not. So many people might have requested to cancel the exam, and because of which on 23rd also you people might have got the information that that movement in Delhi was restricted. It was not a Janta curfew, but yes, the movement was restricted. No shops were open, nothing, and you were very rarely were getting the cabs. So it was very difficult to reach to the examination point. So on 23rd of March, WPC decided to cancel the exam. So because of which the people who are having exam on 23rd, their exam was cancelled, and till now there is no notice whether that exam is postponed or it is totally cancelled. Still, some people who actually made it to the WPC center on 23rd, the guard was saying that there is a chance of exam on 31st of after 31st of March, but that till that time government hasn't declared the lockdown period of 21 days, which because of which now we are in a dilemma whether there is any chance of getting a exam again on after 14th of April, because it's a very big time. After around 21 days there are very less chances of having the exam of RTRA, which was cancelled on 23. So it is very rare, but still we'll wait for the any circular issued by the Department of Telecommunication, or WPC you can say. So we have to keep checking the site, which is www.dot.gov.in. So we have to keep checking this site to get the latest information about RTRA exam. And now so many people have asked me that from the 25th of the March, the application for the next session has to be has was scheduled to start on 25th of March, and it was up to I guess 13th of April. So they were receiving the portal, or you can say the hard copy reception. Last date of hard copy reception was 13th of April. So now that period is also coming, or you can say that period also coming in this lockdown period. So it is very difficult to say anything, because nowadays there is no online thing. Earlier it was the online thing also, and you have to submit the hard copy also, but now from this year only hard copy submission is required. Now for hard copy submission, it is very difficult to nowadays it is very difficult to get the printout of the COP1 form, which is the form which we have to send in hard copy, and also to get the relevant document, printout of relevant document, because all the printout shops they are not opening. So it is very difficult. Also all the related documents has to be attested by the gazetted officer. That is also very impossible now, or you can say these days. Post office, I guess post offices are open, but what you will send what you will send to a WPC, because it is very difficult to get the printout of the form. Suppose anybody is having the printer, if you have the printer, but you will not get the attestation of the document from the respective person. So that is very difficult to arrange. And for okay, suppose for few people it is easy. Suppose they're having good contact with the MLA or some any, suppose in neighbor, some gazetted officer is sitting already having home, or it is somehow easy, or they can anyhow they can get the sign. So for some people it is easy, but maximum people will be facing this problem, because nobody carries a, or you can say nobody owns a printer at home, and never thought of this thing that these days will come, and they'll use a printer for print out or something like that. So it is very difficult to say, and it is very difficult to do these all tasks nowadays. So it is my assumption that it has to be changed. The schedule has to be changed for Mumbai session, and the hard copy submission period has to be revised. But still, I'm not sure. Means whether they will revise it or they will cancel the Mumbai session. It depends upon them. So it is totally difficult to say or declare something that they are not going to do anything. I tried to get the information, but I didn't get any information, because nowadays all the offices, everything is locked, so nobody is getting any reply from respective numbers and emails. Nobody is replying on those numbers, and few people are saying that Mumbai application has, means as per the schedule it is already started. So can they send? So I'll say that if you have the printer, if you can arrange that as attestation, then it is better to send. You have no option. It is better to send if you are having all the things arranged. But if you don't have, don't do anything, and or you have better wait for 1st April, because I think there should be a circular after 31st. WPC side, or you can say the DOT side, might issue something on 1st April. So I'm just waiting for that. So if anybody is having all the related documents, prints and all the form, everything, if anybody is having, just wait for few days, and after 1 or 2nd April you can send. But that's all what I can suggest right now. Many people have already also asked me that whether this exam, means the Delhi session, will be cancelled. No, I don't think they will cancel the whole Delhi session, because it actually affects the last date of examination, which was 23rd. So I don't think they'll totally cancel out this session, because everything was going fine. On the last date only this happened, and they have to cancel the exam. So I don't think, and I'm actually waiting for the result, because in the result only there are chances that they will declare some more information about the next session, because in the result also they can add few more sheet, and they'll give more information about the next sessions. So that will be the point, or you can say that will be the thing I'm waiting about, because no circulars are coming on the site. So I'm waiting for the result. In the result they might declare something for the next session. A few people have asked me whether I'll start classroom lectures or not. For obvious reason, I was supposed to start from the 7th of April, but now I'm not sure that I'll start. Obviously, from the 7th of April, it is not at all possible because of lockdown. But that is why I have changed my mind, and I thought of why to start a classroom lecture from 7th. We can start an online classroom from the 1st of April itself, and everyone is staying at home. Nobody is having any work, so it will be better if I conduct. Suppose if I conduct for a 6-hour class, the classes will be of 15 days. And if anybody is interested, please mail me on my email ID, which is captainclassesflyhigh@gmail.com. And that's all from my side. And today I'll be live on my channel, YouTube channel. So please stay tuned to my channel. I'll be live at 5 p.m. You can ask me your doubts, and related question, RTR related question, any related to aviation field also you can ask me. Let's see, I don't know, I've never did a live session, so let's see what is the outcome, whether it is beneficial for the other people or not. Let's see. Thank you so much, and please take care, because this COVID-19 coronavirus is really very, dangerous. Please keep yourself inside the home. Don't go out. If there is an urgency, there is a requirement, then only go out. And if you go out, and after coming home, please wash your hand properly. And whatever you're coming, or whatever vegetables you're buying from the market, or anything you're buying from the market, if you're coming when after coming to the your home, wash all those vegetables first properly. If you're having a milk packet or any kind of packet, please wash that packet also, because that packet might have germs, or you can say virus. This is it from my side for this video. I'll update you more on the next video. I'll try to cover next topic of RTR exam. So stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because it gives me a hope, and it gives me a positiveness that yes, people are supporting, and I think people are supporting a lot, a lot to my channel, and I'm getting a good response from my channel. I haven't uploaded much in this year, but still I have got so much of subscribers and comments, and people are appreciating my work. So thank you so much for your love, and see you soon, and see you today at 5 p.m. Thank you so much, and take care. Fly high.